Hey friends, if you wish to fix your headset mic not working on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, this is specifically for Windows 11. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab, select sound. You'll find the settings messed up here. Scroll down to input. Input is for microphone. Now make sure that the correct microphone is selected because if the wrong microphone is selected, it won't pick it up. If your microphone is connected using the 3.5 jack, then you will have to select the system option, and if it is connected using USB, then you will have to select the microphone option. Okay, for a better understanding, you can try and test it. Go to the microphone channel and then click on start test and check the response. What is the volume percentage? Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.